Meet Peter. Peter is running a fleet of trucks across the area. Peter has spent a lot of money on his brand image, making his fleet look good and wants to maintain that image. Peter was spending a fortune paying his drivers to drive across town to wait in line at the truck wash or wash the truck themselves. In busy times, it was hard to find the time to get the trucks washed. The costs and loss of production was a hassle for Peter. Thinking there must be a better way, he called the team at Bioclean Mobile Wash. Bioclean's manager came to his yard, gave him a price to wash his trucks on site when they aren't working. Peter was surprised that the price per truck was less than the truck wash across town. Plus, he didn't have the additional cost of driving to the truck wash and waiting. Bioclean's well-trained team then start the big task of washing all Peter's fleet. Peter and his team don't have to do anything. Before the wash team leaves, they clean up after themselves and head off onto their next job. Peter loves that Bioclean is environmentally friendly, collecting wastewater when needed. He also enjoys being able to choose his wash frequency to really control his costs. Now Peter's fleet is all clean and sparkling because Bioclean come regularly to wash all of his fleet, and Peter can go on with his job of managing his growing business.